It happens every year. As summer reaches its peak, the darkness above us awakens. A silent flash, then another. The night sky begins to weep tears of light. We know it as the Perseid meteor shower. For thousands of years, humanity has watched this celestial appointment, telling stories of falling stars and wishes whispered into the night. But this is no random display. It's a precise, predictable event. So, what are we really seeing? What is this cosmic story that repeats itself every August? The answer is not written in the stars, but in the ghost they left behind. We are flying through the trail of a long-dead traveler. Welcome to Celestial Compass. Today, we're chasing that ghost to its source. Our ghost has a name, Swift-Tuttle. To understand its story, we must first understand what a comet is. Imagine a massive ball of frozen gas, rock, and dust, a cosmic, dirty snowball, born in the frigid outer reaches of our solar system. This particular snowball was formally identified in 1862 by two astronomers, Lewis Swift and Horace Tuttle, who independently spotted it. And Swift-Tuttle is a true giant. At 26 kilometers, or 16 miles wide, it is more than twice the height of Mount Everest. Its size and path have led astronomers to label it the single most dangerous object known to humanity, but its threat is not for our lifetime. Swift-Tuttle is on an immense journey. Its orbit is a huge, stretched-out loop that takes 133 years to complete. For most of that time, it is frozen and dormant in deep space. But as it swings inward toward the sun, it awakens. The sun's heat turns the comet's ice directly into gas, which erupts from its surface, carrying with it countless tiny particles of dust and rock. Year after year, pass after pass, it has laid down a long, shimmering trail, a ghostly river of cosmic dust winding through the solar system. Now, enter our planet. Earth is also on a journey, a much more stable and circular path, but a journey nonetheless. And in a beautiful coincidence of celestial mechanics, our orbit intersects directly with the debris trail of Swift-Tuttle. This isn't a random encounter. It's an appointment we keep every single August. For a few weeks, our world becomes a vessel, plunging head-on into this ancient stream of cometary fragments. The particles themselves are tiny, usually no bigger than a grain of sand or a small pebble. But they travel at unimaginable speeds. They strike the top of our atmosphere at roughly 59 kilometers per second. That's over 132,000 miles per hour. Thankfully, our planet has a shield, the atmosphere. When a particle hits the air at such speed, it violently compresses the air in front of it. It's this pocket of superheated air that glows, not the particle itself. This intense heat, thousands of degrees, instantly vaporizes the tiny piece of comet dust in a final, brilliant flash. We call them the Perseids, because if you trace their paths backward, they all appear to originate from a single point in the sky, the constellation Perseus. This is just a matter of perspective, like driving through a snowstorm where all the snowflakes seem to come from one point ahead of you. So, what we witness is a story with three parts: a giant comet's ancient journey, the ghostly trail it left behind, and Earth's annual voyage through that cosmic memory. This August, when you step outside into the night, don't just look for shooting stars. Try to feel the journey. You are standing on a planet that is sailing through the ghost of a comet. You are a witness to and a participant in a truly grand cosmic story. Thank you for navigating the universe with us. Stay curious and never stop looking up.